Hi, my name is Matt and I'm doing a series of videos to try and help people with their Zycoo IP-based bell paging and emergency notification system so they can support themselves and don't need as much help from their supplier or their IT professionals. In this video we're going to be looking at groups. So once you've added your devices, we need to create groups, and very important because we need to create at least one group, because if you don't have a group then you can't see it in the dispatch console. So you'll see across the top the groups. If you don't add the devices to the group then you won't actually see the device here at all. So they're very important. You don't have to have multiple groups, you can just have that one group, but you need to at least have that one. So to do that, we need to log into the IP Audio Center as we've done previously, using the IP address of the server, which, if you've noticed, is down the bottom of your dispatch console, along with your server version and your client version. These should be the same, by the way. If you're not, server version is different to your client version, then you may find that some features within the dispatch console won't work. So just have to have both those are the same, so then you know that a feature that you're using is actually working as it should. So once we've logged in, then we go down to audio devices and we go to groups. So you'll see I have a page all group that I've already created. Now these start, when you add one, they start with 6001 and move on from there, as opposed to the SIP number of the devices, which was 1001. All the groups start with 6. So it gives me the next available number after the last number that I have. So you'll see there's some numbers missing. It'll go straight to the bottom number. The SIPs numbers do the same. Then we can give this a group a name, so it could be junior school, and then I've never used remarks. I suppose you could put something in there if necessary. Then I go down to dispatch user, and you can choose either just one or multiple dispatch users here that can access that group. So you could have them all in there if you've got multiple, or just the one that you want to give access to that group. Then we're going to leave that paging mode in simplex. And then to add them to the group, you can either just select everything, or you can individually select the devices that you want to be in that group, and then just hit the across arrow and they jump into that group. If you've made a mistake, you can just take one back out, or you can add others if necessary, and then hit submit. Once you've hit submit, it should come up with done, and then you hit apply. And that's how easy it is to create groups. And you'll see on this page here we get the group number down the side, the name we've given the group, what devices are in the group, which dispatch users have permission to use the group. We've got the edit option, same as we did on the devices, where we can change those selections, and then we've got a delete option as well. And that's all there is to groups, really. I'll see you next time.